a couple things been on my mind, and part of it is the lack of effort that I'm even putting towards wanting to meet a bitch. It's sad because before I'd be out there, I'd be fucking at least shooting my shot, and I was getting shot down a lot. I wasn't getting any results, and I pretty much, I don't know, at some point I told myself, fuck these hoes. And you know, I guess part of me is a sore loser, straight idiot for fucking quitting, you know what I mean? Because realistically, me not approaching bitches is not gonna change my situation, at least I think. And I'm logically trying to go through this. I'm like, alright, so, you know, I know for a fact when I approach girls, man, I'm just not good. I'm not getting results, and I'm upset and I'm frustrated. Because I think of it logically, I'm like, what the fuck? I've gotten rejected from ugly bitches and bad bitches. And in my head, I somehow just came up with the conclusion that I don't have enough money for these hoes. That was my solution. I said, alright, I clearly don't have enough money for these bitches. I decided to just say, fuck it, and just stay focused on me as I navigate, you know, as I'm fucking living through the world and shit. As I'm navigating through the world, I don't know, man, either I'm not in the right place. I remember someone saying, live where you're appreciated, not just tolerated. You know what I mean? So in my head, I'm like, bro, I've actually done the work, and at this point, I don't do it from it's just frustrating. It's like, it's nothing, there's no logic behind the bitches rejecting me as much as they have. There's just no fucking logic behind it. I'm not saying, bro, I'm confident in my looks. I know I'm not fucking throwed. I'm confident in my looks. Confident in my game, not with all the bitches, but I have enough game. I have decent enough game to connect with a fair amount of bitches. So what is it? It's me. You know, I gotta keep accepting responsibility. It's me. But what could I do to improve it? And I can start by pulling my e-brake. What could I do to motherfucking improve it? Because my balls are like this right now. My balls are looking to just fucking release all over a fucking bad bitch. And one thing that I'm starting to come to realization is the world is gonna train you to be exactly what bitches don't want. So they're going to, the modern word for it is called simp. The world is gonna teach you to be a fucking simp. Specifically, bitches. Women are going to nurture you. They're going to mold you to be what they couldn't get from a man in the marketplace. Most women are gonna they're gonna try to mold you to be the man that they couldn't get. Not realizing that the very same man that they couldn't get is the very same man that they desire. So why the fuck would you want to mold a man to bring him down? Why would you? And this is what we have to understand is as parents, I'm not the best parent, but I'll speak on my behalf. Bad things that I For example, if I have my son, if I have kids with me, and I decide to go to the strip club every week, or if I decide to drink every single week in the house, if I have strippers come through, and I guess that wouldn't be bad for my son to see that. Let me not say that, because I'll probably never get to see my son for real. What I'm trying to say is, these examples, by nature, by default, we're doing stuff that our kids are gonna follow. So, you know, everything that we just keep doing, man, I don't fucking know. But I know damn well I don't have the answers, and I fucking listened, I followed, I did as much as I could to motherfucking be righteous, if you will. You know what I mean? And the word, Jesus, God, all that shit is gonna make you less of a fucking man. It's gonna make you a bitch. It's gonna make you compliant. It's gonna eliminate a major side of you. It's gonna eliminate something inside of you that you need to navigate in this world. And that's your fucking mind. And if your mind is consumed with the word, put it like this: if you're a Jesus follower, it's over. Bitches use that as a pillar to identify how much they could take advantage of you. Just so you know. So that that shit is literally meant, it's a filter. It's a fucking filter for bitches to say, it's a filter for bitches to pretty much make a decision and know that you're not the right type of fucking man. You are the right man for them to take advantage of. You know what I mean? They love that shit. If you're a Christian, it's over, because she knows that's one less thing she got to worry about. And Christianity, depending on how deep into it you are, that's more of a percent of your mind that's being occupied, which is good for her. Now, I know it's not the case for everyone and everything, but these bitches know what's up. They know exactly what the fuck happened. They don't fuck with God. They don't fuck with Jesus. They know damn well it's a facade. And these bitches got codes out there too. Just like there's bro codes, bitches got codes. And them codes go deeper than bro codes. I swear to God, them bitches are real smart. Partially because they had the responsibility and the privilege, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Some appreciate that opportunity. Some are just hateful for it. But you get to raise kids. You know what I mean? You get to influence kids at a young age. And I'll be honest, I don't think a lot of women have thought, I say us, I don't think they've thought long term when it comes to the ramification of what the fuck what exactly is it that's happening when they have their little intent behind raising their kids. You know what I mean? Just don't think it's the reality of the beast, but I'm gonna just keep pushing forward. You know what I mean? Continue exposing my weaknesses, my idiocies, and just keep fucking doing everything I fucking can to improve. You know what I mean? Just keep doing everything I fucking can to get this money, improve, and remember, this shit is fucking non-stop. Keep fucking going. Fuck boy. She likes white boy.